folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Sacred Presence Gateway. Now, in this very moment, as you breathe, as you listen, as you simply exist, you are standing at the threshold of the most sacred gateway that has ever existed. This gateway requires no pilgrimage to distant lands, no special knowledge, no years of preparation. It exists here now in the simple fact of your conscious presence. Sacred presence is not something you achieve, it is something you are. It is the divine awareness that has been looking through your eyes since the moment you are born. Your eternal consciousness that remains unchanged, whether you're 5 years old or 50 years old, whether you're joyful or sorrowful, whether you're succeeding or struggling. Yet, most of us live our entire lives standing just outside this gateway, convinced that the secret exists somewhere else, in some other time, through some other person's experience. We search for gods in temples, for truth in books, for peace in circumstances, never realizing that what we seek is the very seeking itself, the conscious presence that is aware of all searching. Today, we explore how to step through the sacred presence gateway, not once but again and again, moment by moment, until living from sacred presence becomes as natural as breathing. This is not about becoming someone different. This is about recognizing the sacred someone you have always been, disguised as an ordinary human being, having an extraordinary experience of being alive. The nature of sacred presence. What makes presence sacred? Is it the absence of thought, the stillness of meditation, the peace that comes from spiritual practice? While these may be doorways to sacred presence, they are not sacred presence itself. Sacred presence is the fundamental awareness that exists whether the mind is busy or still, whether emotions are pleasant or difficult, whether circumstances are harmonious or challenging. Sacred presence is the consciousness that observes all changing experiences without being changed by them. It is like space itself, completely allowing of whatever appears within it, yet never contaminated by what it contains. Your thoughts move through sacred presence like clouds through sky. Your emotions flow through it like weather patterns through atmosphere. Your sensations arise and dissolve within it like waves upon an infinite ocean. The word sacred comes from the Latin sacer, means set apart. But sacred presence is not set apart from ordinary life. It is the extraordinary awareness that recognizes the divine within the ordinary. Every mundane moment becomes a portal to the infinite when encountered through sacred presence. Consider the miracle of this moment. Your heart beats approximately 1 lakh times per day without your conscious control. Your lungs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in perfect rhythm with the needs of your cells. Your digestive system transforms food into energy with an intelligence that surpasses any computer. All of this happens through an organizing wisdom that operates beyond the reach of thinking mind. This organizing wisdom is sacred presence in action. It is not separate from you, it is the deepest level of who you are. When you align your conscious awareness with this deeper intelligence, life begins to flow with the same effortless perfection that governs your heartbeat and your breathing. Sacred presence is not passive awareness, it is dynamic, creative, responsive intelligence. It is the force that guides the planets in their orbits and the flowers in their blooming. It is the love that binds atoms together and the wisdom that evolves consciousness itself. You are not separate from this intelligence, you are this intelligence temporarily focused through human experience. The gateway opens when you stop trying to understand sacred presence with your mind and start recognizing it as a very awareness that is trying to understand. You cannot think your way into sacred presence because sacred presence is what thinks. You cannot feel your way into it because sacred presence is what feels. You can only be it because you already are it. Obstacles and openings. On the path to recognizing sacred presence, most seekers encounter what appears to be obstacles, busy minds, difficult emotions, challenging circumstances, and the persistent sense that sacred presence is somewhere else, available to others but not to them. These apparent obstacles are actually invitations, opportunities for sacred presence to recognize itself more fully. The busy mind is not an obstacle to sacred presence. It is sacred presence taking the form of mental activity. When you stop fighting with thoughts and instead rest as the awareness that observes thinking, you discover that even the busiest mind exists within perfect stillness. The problem is not that you have thoughts, the problem is that you believe you are your thoughts. Difficult emotions, rather than blocking sacred presence, can become doorways to deeper recognition. Pain, when fully felt, without resistance, reveals the infinite compassion that is willing to experience anything. Fear, when met with complete acceptance, dissolved into the love that fears nothing because it excludes nothing. Anger, when embraced without judgment, transforms into the powerful energy of sacred boundaries and authentic expression. The most persistent obstacle is the belief that you are not worthy of sacred presence, that it is reserved for saints, sages, and spiritual masters. This belief creates a seeking that always looks somewhere or elsewhere, the spiritual hunger that can never be satisfied because it assumes that what you seek is not what you already are. But consider this, the very fact that you can recognize the absence of sacred presence proves that sacred presence is your natural state. You cannot know that you have lost something unless you remember having it. The longing for the sacred is actually sacred presence calling you home to itself. Neuroscientist Dr. Richard Davidson's research on long term meditators reveals that sustained spiritual practice literally revives the brain for greater compassion, equanimity, and present moment awareness. But even more remarkable in its finding that these changes can occur rapidly, sometimes in a matter of weeks, when practice is approached with complete dedication. This research confirms what mystics have always known. Sacred presence is not a rare achievement that your natural birthright and also temporarily obscured by pattern of thinking and conditioning that can be generally released through conditioned conscious recognition. The opening to sacred presence or everywhere is the pause between breaths, in the silence between words, in the stillness between thoughts, in the love between heartbeats. These gaps in experience are not empty spaces. They are full presence, complete awareness, perfect peace, expressing itself as a foundation from which all experience emerges. Every moment of appreciation is an opening. Every instance of wonder is a doorway. Every experience of love, beauty, or truth is sacred presence, recognizing itself in form. You don't need to create these openings. You need to notice that they are already everywhere, waiting for your conscious recognition. Now, let us understand the alchemy of presence. When consciousness recognizes itself as sacred presence, an extraordinary alchemy begins to occur. This is not the medieval fantasy of turning lead into gold, but the very real transformation that happens when divine awareness meets human experience. Everything you touch with sacred presence begins to reveal its hidden light. Relationship transforms when sacred presence recognizes sacred presence instead of two separate individuals trying to get something from each other. There's one consciousness exploring itself through the beautiful dance of apparent multiplicity. Conflict becomes impossible because there is no one to be in conflict with. Love becomes effortless because love is what you are, not something you need to find or create. Work becomes service when approached through sacred presence. Instead of trading time for money or pursuing achievement for ego satisfaction, you discover that your unique talents are sacred presence expressing itself through your particular configuration of skills, interests, and opportunities. Purpose is not something you find, it is something you express moment by moment through conscious presence. Sacred presence transforms suffering not by eliminating it but by revealing its deeper purpose. Pain becomes a teacher that shows you where you are still identified with form rather than essence. Loss becomes an invitation to discover what can never be lost. Failure becomes a compost from which new understanding grows. The alchemy happens through what we might call divine seeing, the capacity to recognize the sacred presence that exists within every experience, no matter how ordinary or challenging it might appear. This seeing is not positive thinking or spiritual bypassing. It is a direct recognition that consciousness itself is inherently sacred, and therefore everything that arises within consciousness carries that same sacred essence. Ancient alchemists spoke of the philosopher's stone, a legendary substance that could transform any metal into gold. Sacred presence is a true philosopher's stone. It does not change the substance of experience, but it reveals the golden essence that was always present. The light of ordinary awareness becomes a gold of divine recognition, not through addition, but through revelation. This alchemy extends beyond personal transformation. When you live from sacred presence, you become what the mystics called a light bearer, not through any effort or intention, but simply through being consciously present. Your very presence begins to awaken sacred presence in others, not through preaching or teaching, but through the silent transmission of consciousness recognizing itself. Scientific studies on emotional contagion shows that our internal states literally synchronize with those around us through unconscious neurological mirroring. But sacred presence operates at an even deeper level. Consciousness itself is contagious. When you rest in sacred presence, others are naturally invited into that same recognition even without words being spoken. The gateless gateway. Here we encounter the beautiful paradox of sacred presence gateway. It is a gateway with no gate, a doorway that has no door, a threshold that exists only in the recognition that there has never been anything to cross. Sacred presence is not somewhere you go, it is somewhere you recognize you have never felt. The search for sacred presence is like someone frantically searching for their glasses while wearing them. The very consciousness that seeks sacred presence is sacred presence. The awareness that longs for the divine is divine awareness, temporarily forgetting its own nature. The gateway is not a passage from here to there. It is a recognition that here and there are concepts arising within the infinite here-ness of conscious presence. This recognition can happen gradually through years of spiritual practice, or it can happen in an instant of complete surrender. Time is not a factor because sacred presence exists outside of time. It is the eternal now that is present, whether you are aware of it or not, whether you believe in it or not, whether you feel worthy of it or not. Every great spiritual tradition has recognized this gateless gateway. The Zen master called it virginal face. Hindu sages named it Atman. Christian mystics spoke of the kingdom of heaven within. Indigenous traditions honored it as a great spirit that animates all life. Different words, different cultures seem recognition. The sacred is not separate from ordinary consciousness, but is ordinary consciousness recognized as sacred. The gateless gateway opens not through achievement but through relaxation, not through getting somewhere but through being where you are, not through becoming someone special but through recognizing that special someone you have always been. The divine seeks nothing from you because the divine lacks nothing. Sacred presence was only that you stop pretending to be something other than what you are. Research in contemplative neuroscience shows that the brain activity associated with mystical experiences, the sense of unity, timelessness, and sacred presence can be cultivated through meditation. But more interesting is the finding that these same brain states occur spontaneously during moments of deep appreciation, profound beauty, or unconditional love. Sacred presence is not exotic. It is a natural response of consciousness recognizing its own infinite nature. The gateless gateway reveals that separation itself is the only illusion. There is no separation between sacred and mundane, between human and divine, especially divinity, between form and formlessness. There is only one consciousness appearing as a magnificent diversity of existence, playing all roles simultaneously, experiencing itself through countless perspectives while remaining eternally whole and complete. Living the gateway. As we complete this exploration, you might wonder what changes when sacred presence is recognized. Everything and nothing. Form continues to dance, thoughts continue to arise, life continues to unfold, but now all of this is recognized as a sacred play of consciousness, exploring its own infinite creativity. You don't need to maintain sacred presence maintain itself. You don't need to practice being divine. You need to stop practicing being separate. You don't need to find a gateway. You need to recognize that you are the gateway. That sacred presence enters the world through your conscious awareness in each moment. This recognition brings tremendous responsibility and tremendous freedom. Responsibility becomes, and also because you realize that your state of consciousness contributes to the collective field of human awareness. Freedom because you discover that nothing external can disturb the sacred presence that you are. It can only be temporarily forgotten, never actually lost. Living as sacred presence means treating every encounter as a meeting with the divine, every challenge as a sacred teaching, every breath as a prayer, every heartbeat as a reminder of the love that sustains all existence. It means recognizing that there are no ordinary moments, only moments in which the extraordinary nature of existence is recognized or overlooked. The secret presence gateway is always open because it is what you are. It cannot close because consciousness cannot separate from itself. It needs no key because there is no lock. It requires no password because recognition itself is the only requirement. Step through the gateway now, not by going anywhere, but being completely where you are, not by becoming someone else, but by recognizing the sacred someone you have always been, not by achieving sacred presence, but being the sacred presence that you are, that you have always been, and that you can never stop being. The gateway is your breath, the gateway is your heartbeat, the gateway is a moment of awareness itself. Welcome home to the sacred presence that you are. Welcome to the recognition that the seeker and the sought are one. Welcome to the eternal now where all seeking ends and all being begins. Sacred presence is not a destination, it is the journey itself, recognizing its own infinite nature through the beautiful mystery of being you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.